This video instructs you in replacing a section of Permastripe if it ever becomes damaged. To carry out the repair, you will need a seam roller, H3502 edge fix, a sharp kraft knife, and a piece of Permastripe cut to the desired length. Most of these items are available from Heskins at a low cost. You will need to first cut a piece of Permastripe to replace the damaged area. You can either just cut a length however you desire, or get it as close to the size of the damaged area as possible. Next, you will need to remove the damaged area. Using a sharp cutting implement like a kraft knife, make a cut on each side, as straight as possible, ensuring it is cut all the way through. Once cut, simply remove the damaged area and apply the new piece. You can leave it here, although to ensure a repair that is as efficient as possible, you can use a seam roller to remove any possible air pockets and ensure the best possible application between surface and adhesive. Use H3502 edge fix to seal the surface and cut lines between the original application and replacement piece of Permastripe. This job can be completed by one person with no downtime necessary in the workplace and is ready immediately. For more information, please visit our website at www.permastripe.co.uk.